Repairing a vehicle is an art. It takes all sorts of equipment and knowledge in order to get a car back to pre-accident condition.
There's a lot involved in fixing cars. Here at Caliber, they give you that information, they give you access to all data to make sure that the technicians know what they're doing and the cars are repaired safely and properly.
The training that we receive, I think, is absolutely huge. What it does is it always keeps us right on that cutting edge of not only customer service, but the technology as well.
One of the benefits of being a larger shop, you do get that support.
As I bring new technicians on, one of the first things we do is, hey, we're gonna set you up, we're gonna get you iCar certified, and everyone's like, oh man, that's great. It's the last independent that I was at, they wouldn't pay for that.
That's what really separates us from the competition. It's an incredible investment, and it shows that we do care about what we're doing.
Caliber takes that extra step to make sure that people are trained to their fullest possibility. It helps the facility, the company, and just the technicians just have that comfort to be able to do it right. Here at Caliber, we want to return the customer back to their way of life as fast as possible. But we just don't want to bring a car in and just fix it and put it down the road. We want to bring a car in and making sure that we're doing the absolute best possible repair we can, to where when we repair it, we feel safe to put our family inside that car, knowing if it'll get hit again, that it will do what it's supposed to do.
It's not just taking care of the customer, it's taking care of our internal customer, our employees. When I think of Caliber, the first thing that comes to mind is our culture. We are a band of brothers. We're in it together.
You can definitely tell it's like a tight-knit community that we've got going on here. You'll run into a lot of places where some people like to keep their little trade secrets, and it's definitely not like that here. I mean, if there's something that someone finds out and it can help you, they're gonna tell you about it.
It's one big, just giant team. Even though you're at different shops, everybody's willing to help everybody out.
People that come to Caliber that traditionally may have been shop hoppers, they find a home here at Caliber. There's something different, there's more to it. We're not just here because we're trying to make a paycheck. We are really here to change people's lives and make it for the better.